Hey guys, word two, part two. Uh, Next thing in the chain of events that we're going to be doing here is creating a second word. I have this extra layer that I'm going to go ahead and delete because I don't need it, and I don't remember where in my in my word one that I made that layer. So let's go ahead and clean it up and get rid of it. I'm going to delete this inner shadow also because I don't need that. All right. So the next thing I want to do is I want to type with the same typeface at the same size. I'm going to go ahead and copy my point size over here. And let's grab my type tool and let's go ahead and start typing. I'm going to do the word design again. And I want that type to be 125.74. Let's highlight it and 125.74. There we go. So in this next one, what we want to do is we want to basically copy the parameters from the original set of effects that we did and bring them to the other new word that we have. I'm going to go ahead and move this word down. That way it's easier for me to see kind of chronological order, how things are moving. If I hover over top of the word effects, guys, this is super simple. I hold Option and I copy and drag this down to the other file. And this allows me to go in and make a replicated copy. The next thing I want to do is go in and, I don't know, let's change the opacity, maybe of the stroke, or let's change, I don't know, let's change the color of the stroke. Let's make it like a red, something that we can see here. So we got the red. Let's change the fill color of the word from white. I don't know, let's go with a pale red. Get into the oranges a little bit there. And then if I want to go back and change the stroke, I don't need to highlight the letters. All I have to do is go double click on the stroke. And let's go ahead and use my eyedropper, sample the color, and just darken it ever so slightly. Okay. If I don't like that, I can always go back and change it. But this is basically, the point of this one is to learn how to copy an effect from one to another so you don't have to constantly write down the parameters. These are relatively simple tasks we're asking you to do right now, but they can get far more complex later on to where you maybe have, 30 different effects applied. So, keep that in mind, but this is something to be thinking about, how to copy one set of effects to another and customize that set of effects afterwards. But before we cast off on this one, I'm going to go ahead and put numbers after these so that I know this is the order that we did them. All right. I will see you guys on word 3.